Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. If you're looking for a refrigerator filter that is easy on your wallet without sacrificing quality, then you need to check out Wildberries. So far, I'm such a fan because their filters give us clean tasting, refreshing water. Usually, tap water is not kind to me to the point where we've had to purchase our water, but I've been drinking this for days and I have had zero issues. In my opinion, the water tastes just as good as the bottle option, no chlorine or other weird taste. We have a Samsung fridge and installation was a breeze, no tools or stress, and it fit perfectly. From beginning to end, it probably took me under 3 minutes. These filters are also compatible with a number. And when I say a number, they have a long list of refrigerator models, so there's a good chance you'll be able to find one that works for you. I love that one filter lasts for 6 months, so we are covered for a while. Can you think of how much money we'll be saving from not having to buy bottled water? Yeah, I'm excited. This really is a great option if you're in a budget but still want a high quality product. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.